Kiki Bus.
Your food is here. Kiki. Mew Mew? Where did they go? I'll just put it on the table.
New friend? Shh! You scared away my butterfly! Sorry! Huh? What's that sound?
A beautiful castle, la 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 la. You and me together, la la.
Such a nice voice!
La 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 la. Let's build a castle, la la
Let's
la
be
la.
friends.
A beautiful castle, la 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 la.
Hi,
You
I'm
and
Koa.
me together, la 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 la. Oh hi!
You're a really good singer! Can you teach me how to sing?
Of course. Listen carefully. La 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 la. Let's build a castle. La 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 la.
Great!
Now it's your turn.
Okay. Watch me!
It's okay. Try again. Very good. One more time. One more time. Why did you do this?
I'm so sorry! I didn't mean to do that! Hey, new guy! Will you help us? Okay! We will have a running race. Can you be the referee? Okay! Get set! Go! Run, run! Come on, run! Yeah, come on! Go! Come on, run! Ouch! Hey, sorry. I didn't mean it. You ruined our race. It's all your fault. Sorry, I burp when I get nervous. Let's go. Wait! What? Hi! Hi, guys! I'm Koa! What are you doing?
I like it here. It's all ours.
La 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 la.
Huh? Yeah, run! Oh, I have an idea! Ice Cube Bomb! Everybody
You can't get away.
Stop!
You again?
Stop! Don't come any closer!
Burping, burping cola. Burping, burping cola. 3 bad pizzas make a mess. Brave Cola says, what should I do? Let's see what we found out.
Cola Bomb!
Come on, Brave Cola. Cola bomb.
Boom!
Cola bomb.
Boom!
Here we go, Brave Cola. Burping, burping cola. Burping, burping cola.
Great! Thank you for saving us! Your Cola Bomb is so cool! When I burp, I can help others too! Kids, do you want to be friends with me?
Welcome to the best bread competition! We will choose the most delicious bread. And the winner will get the chocolate trophy!
Wow, that looks amazing! I want to take it!
Huh? It won't be easy to bake yummy bread. Be patient and do your best.
I'm gonna bake the yummiest bread!
Now let's start the competition!
Wait! Flour, mixing bowl, milk, yeast, sugar, and butter. And with Katie's recipe, I must be the winner. It looks so hard. Huh?
It won't be easy to bake yummy bread. Be patient and do your best.
I will win the trophy. First, measuring the flour. Oh, too little. Too much. Too little again. Too little or too much. I can't even start. Whatever, let's just do it. Pouring the flour. Some yeast. Some sugar. And butter. And then some milk. What's the next step? Huh?
mix all the ingredients well. And keep kneading the dough until it's soft and smooth.
I'm really good at mixing. Butter, sugar, milk, and flour. Mix and mix, mix and mix. Time to knead the dough. My hands got stuck. Kneading the dough is so hard. How long should I knead it to be soft and smooth? Whatever. It will be fine. What's the next step, huh?
Let the dough rise for 2 hours. If everything's right, it will be double in size. You need to do this for yummier bread.
2 hours? I need to wait for 2 hours? Huh? Oh, I think it's already big enough. Let's just put it in the oven and bake it. In 20 minutes, my yummy bread will be done. Is it done yet? Taking so long. Still not done yet? How much longer should I wait? Aha! I have an idea. Let's turn up the heat. I'm so smart. Huh? Oh! What's wrong? My bread!
What's wrong, Donnie? What's that thing on the tray? Wow! Very special black bread. I think it's just burned.
This is a bad recipe.
Nothing's wrong with my recipe. Did you do everything right?
Of course!
Measured everything correctly?
Maybe.
Was the dough soft and smooth? Doubled in size?
No.
You didn't do anything right with patience.
Huh? I messed up. I burned my bread and won't get the trophy.
Don't give up, Donnie. You still have time to bake another one.
Really? Can I do it?
Sure. Be patient and try it again, step by step.
Okay. I will do my best.
Let's start again.
Okay. Butter, sugar, milk, and flour. Mix and mix. Please be patient. Yummy bread, yummy bread. Let's bake. Leave the dough, let it rise. Wait and wait. Please be patient. Yummy bread, yummy bread. Let's bake.
Let's put it in the oven.
Okay.
Put the big dough in the oven. Bake and bake. Please be patient. Yummy bread, yummy bread. Let's bake.
The yummy bread is ready!
Who's gonna be the winner of the best bread competition? It's Dee!
I'd lose.
And the other winner of this competition is... Tommy!
Huh? Me? Really?
Yes, your bread is really yummy too. Congratulations, Tommy!
Thank you, everyone. Now I know how to bake yummy bread. Be patient and do it step by step.
Wow! I want to go out and play! Hey, wake up! Someone's coming!
Which one should I pick?
Oh, pick me, please!
All right, I'll have this.
Hey, you look sad. What's wrong? Now I am the only one left. I want to get out and play too.
Then we will help you.
Great! Just insert a coin first and then push the orange button.
But we don't have a coin.
Aha! The cat piggy bank.
Okay.
Follow me. I thought it was here.
Over there.
It's so itchy. Hey, cat piggy bank.
He's scratching himself.
Let's help him.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Cat piggy bank, can you give us a coin? Huh? Yay! Did you bring a coin? Ta-da! Look at this!
Great!
Let's put it in.
Huh? Oh no! It's too high!
Aha! How about we do this?
Sounds great! Take it! Let's try again. Are you okay? We're all right.
I wish we were a little bit taller.
Taller? We can be taller if we make a tower.
Sounds great. Let's go ask our friends for help.
Here we come!
Okay, 1, 2.
No, to the left! Right here, stop! Insert the coin! Oh no! Don't worry!
Take it, Fry! Come on, hurry up!
Okay.
I can't wait to get out and play with you. Whoosh, whoosh, sliding down. Here I am, my good friends. Guys, I made it! Yay! Yay! So happy, so happy. I'm with my friends now. Let's have fun together. Thank you so much, my friends.
Thank you for your help, guys.
You're welcome. It's always good to help a friend.
Be careful!
Oh no! It's Super Panda! Super Panda! Super Panda! Super Panda is awesome! I want to be like him too! What do I need to become a superhero? Right! A superhero needs a cape! Oh! Ah! Hey! Hey, Milky, can I have some of this?
Okay, but don't do too much. I will make a kite with the rest.
Yay! I am Super Dummy!
No! My cloth! I can't make a kite with this! Donnie!
superhero!
What? I'm not? I have a cape and I can run fast. Why am I not a superhero? All superheroes are strong, so if I can lift that bag of flour, I'll be a real superhero too!
It's all done.
Katie! I need this bag of flour!
Donnie, what are you doing?
I am Super Donnie!
Put it down, Donnie. It's dangerous.
Did you see how strong I was? I'm a real superhero, Super Donnie.
Donnie! You are not a superhero at all!
Yes, I am. I have a cape, I run fast, and I can lift a huge bag of flour like this.
You ruined my cake!
I didn't mean it.
Yes, you did! You ruined my cloth!
And my castle, too! Superheroes never do such things.
Uh-oh. I'm sorry, guys. I don't think I can become a superhero.
Let's play over there.
Hold on a second!
Here I come, Super Donnie, helping everyone who's in danger. Super Donnie, don't you worry, I'm here to help. I have no fear, time to go, Super Donnie. Donnie! You did great! Thank you for saving us! Now you are a real superhero, Donnie.
Me? Really?
Uh-huh. You were brave and saved the candies. You're a superhero.
So I should help others to become a real superhero!
Yeah!
Yay! I'm Super Donnie! Kids, it's not hard to be a superhero.
If you help people in need, you're already a superhero. Kiki, can you help me? Okay. Let's play hide and seek. I'll be it first. Go hide, everyone. 1, 2.
Over there! Wait! Where should I hide? Ouch! Where should I hide? That's it!
Nine, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
I need to hurry.
I'm gonna get you! Where are they hiding? Huh? I found you, 3 candies!
He got us.
Huh? Milky! Oh. I found you, Dee Dee!
No way! I won't be found so easily!
Come out!
It's not fun! You found me too quickly!
Now only Bo is left. Oh, where is he? Huh? Huh? Oh! What's that sound? Maybe it's Bo. He must be around here somewhere. Huh? Yummy. Phew. I still can't find Bo. Where is he hiding?
Maybe something bad happened to him!
We need to find him! I still can't find him.
We've looked everywhere.
Hey,
Hey, Bao, you win! Come out now! Come out, Bao! You're the winner!
Bao, come out! I can't get out!
Let's look somewhere else.
Oh. I'm here! Please help me! What should I do?
Let's go! Huh? It's Bao! Let's open it together! 1, 2! 1, 2!
It's so tight, we can't open it! Let me out! I can't breathe!
That was close. We need to find another way. Huh? I have an idea! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Stop! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready!
1, 2, 3, 4, come on everyone, all together help our friend out. I'm a danger, let me out, I'm so scared. Let's help him all together. It's open. Let's help him all together. I'm stuck. Let's help him all together. Almost done. Let's help him all together. Yay, we did it!
Thank you for helping me, guys!
It was so dangerous.
I will never hide in a bottle again! Kids, you need to be careful when you play hide and seek. Only hide in safe places.